Hi everyone, it's Laura from ClickFix, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can pre-fill fields when you create an Ontraport page using one of our shortcodes. So before you use any of our shortcodes, you need to make sure that you have everything set up so everything works smoothly. So I'm here in the ClickFix website, app.clickfix.io, and once you log in into your account, you are going to go to Start Here. So the first step is to go to the Start Here page, and the first thing to do is to add your domain. So if you click here, you will be able to add your domain. Remember that if you have a free ClickFix account, you can only add one domain. So once you have that set up, you can go back to the Start Here page. And the next step is to install the Chrome plugin. So if you click here, it will take you to the Chrome store where you can download the plugin and it will be added to your Chrome browser. So the next step is to copy the script that you have to add to the header code in all of your Ontraport pages where you want to use one of our shortcodes. So this goes above any of the shortcodes that you use. So you just come to your Ontraport page and you click on custom code, and it's gonna take you to the header code where you paste your script, and then you can start working on your shortcodes. And those are the 3 steps that you need to follow in order to use our shortcodes. Also in this page you can find the documentation page where you can find all of our shortcodes and the written instructions for all of them. So here are all the shortcodes, and you can scroll down to the shortcode that you want to check out. And also if you have any other questions or you need more help, you can click on the support button and you will get a ticket to solve any of your doubts. And with that being said, we can move on to the tutorial. I am in the Ontraport page builder, and I have a small form right here with 5 fields. And I'm going to show you how I am going to pre-fill the phone number field and this dummy field. So I'm gonna call this shipping. So this is gonna be the shipping field, and then I'm gonna go to the custom code and to the header code. And here I have the publish page. So the first thing that I want to do is check for the field IDs. I do this by using the ClickFix Chrome extension, which can show you the field IDs, the block IDs, element IDs, and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna click on show field IDs, and here I have all the names. As you can see, some of these fields are called as the field, and some others have a code that starts with an F. So I go to the code, and here is the code that I'm using for this demo. So first, if the field country is United States, the field SMS number is going to be filled with +1, which is the country code. This is one example of how you can use this shortcode. So yeah, when someone clicks on United States, it's going to be filled with +1. But if they choose another country, then they're not gonna have a country code. They have to type it themselves. And the second way, I'm going to using this shortcode in this demo. So I'm going to fill this field, which you can see right here, which is the shipping field, with tracked shipping. So I have 2 options. Here you can see that I created 2 options for these fields, so it's tracked and untracked shipping. But when the user first gets to this page, it's going to be pre-filled with the tracked shipping option. So let's go ahead and publish. And here, as you can see, the field is filled with tracked shipping, but they can change between these 2. And now when they go and choose their country, if they click on United States, it's going to be filled with a +1. So I hope that you find this shortcut useful, and you can use it in many other ways. These are just 2 examples, and thanks for watching.